G'day guys, Baronades here. Today we're going to be talking about rod selection, which is obviously the first thing you're going to do if you're new to the scene of fishing. You've got to go out and get yourself a rod. So first thing you need to do is decide whether you're going to be fishing from a kayak or a boat, or if you're going to be fishing from the shoreline. So if you're going to be fishing from a kayak or a boat, we would recommend getting a bait caster. So most bait casters have a really firm top of the rod tip, which means that when the lure is being trolled at the back of the boat or kayak, it's going to bounce along not too much. If I show you some spin gear, this is a bream or trout sort of rod, that would basically just snap if it was being trolled along, because it just wouldn't be able to handle the lure swimming through the water, the vibrations that get sent down the rod tip. The next thing you want to do is decide whether you're going to use really heavy line, just in case you do find a big Murray cod, or whether you're going to take a risk and fish a bit more light. So if you're going to use 30-pound braid or above, definitely get yourself a bait caster. Two reasons: it can hold more line on the reel, and also, as I've already said, it's a much firmer rod tip, so it can handle much more drag pressure, which is what you want to do when you have stronger line. You really crank up that drag and make sure that those big cod can't get away into the snags too quickly. If you are going to go for your average sized Murray cod or yellow belly, you can get away with spin gear. This probably isn't the best example because, like I said, is a trout and bream gear, but you can get some really good quality spin rods that a lot of fishermen do prefer using, because you really get to feel the thrill of the fish at the other end of the line, because it's a more flexible rod tip, so they'll really vibrate and pull some drag on your line. So that's the starting point. Decide between those two styles of rods, and next we're going to be talking about line selection. So watch the next video.